Hello everyone, welcome to Edu for Sure. Today we'll going to see what is minor and cofactor in this lecture. So it is a part of determinant only, means the matrix, but we are continuing in this lecture. So here minor, what actually it is and what is a cofactor. Minor is a element of your matrix. So you can see an example here. If I say you what is a minor of this first element A11, how you're going to find it out? That we are doing in the determinant exactly like that. It will be, you will going to hide this part and you will going to hide this part. Then with respect to the first element A11, or with respect to this A11, what will be the minor? This part. Similarly, now if I say you that what will be the minor for A12, so in that case the minor will be, you will going to hide this part and this part. So for A12 the minor will be this one, A21, A31, A23, A33. So let me write down here. So as I said you here, for A12 the minor will be this part A21, A31, and how we're going to obtain? Just by hiding that row and column where A12 is occurring. I repeat once again, in order to find it out the minor for that particular element, just hide that row and column, so you will get this minor A21, A23, A31, A33. A21, you can see A21, A23, A31, A33. Similarly, now if I want to find it out for A13, then how you're going to do that? For that, again, now you will going to hide that column where, or row where this A13 is occurring. So A13 is occurring on first row and third column. So now what will be the minor? So the minor of this A13 will be this one. So the minor for this A13 will be my this part. Or better if I say, I can say like this. So I hope it is clear to you how to find out the minor. Similarly, for the second row also, if you want to find out the minor, how you are going to do that? So let me rub this. Now, if you want to find out the minor for A21, how you're going to do the minor for A21? Same thing, you will going to hide the second row because A21 is occurring on second row, and your first column. So now what will be the minor for this A21? So my element will be the minor of this A21 will be A12, A13, A32, A33. As I said you, for whichever element you want to find out the minor, just hide that row and column, and whatever will going to be left, then you have to take it. And just in determinant, in my previous lecture I've shown you how you can find it out, multiplication, or how you can do the multiplication here. First you have to take a multiplication between these two elements minus these two elements. I repeat once again, first you will go from bottom to top, from right to left, then you will go from left to right, minus of this. So here the minor for this A21 will be A12, sorry, A12, then A13, now this A32, and A33. So here A33 will come. So like this, you have to find it out the minor for every element of the matrix. Now how you're going to find out the co-matrix? In place of co-matrix, you just have to add -1 and I plus j. I plus j value, how you're going to find it out? Suppose you have to find it out cofactor for A11. So you, how you're going to do? -1, 1 plus 1. Why 1 plus 1 is coming? Because here I value is your 1 and j value is also 1. Here this I value and j value both are 1. So this is your I and j value. So when you will go into square of any number which is now 1 1, so -1, 1 plus 1 will give you 2. That means -1 square will give you 1. Suppose for example A12, so here I value will be your 1 and j value will be 2. So -1, 1 plus 2 will become what? Cube, right? 1 plus 2 will become 3. So -1 cube will give you -1. Multiply by this value, whatever value you will get it here, when you multiply A22 into A33 minus A32 into A23. So what you will get it here? A22 dot, dot means here multiplication. Oh, let me take asterisk here, so to make you more clear, minus A32 into A23. So this will be your answer. Multiply by this, multiply minus 1 to the power whatever you will get after adding I plus j. So here for a11 it will be 1 plus 1 2, so it will become 1 into whatever result you will get from this multiplication. So this is called as a cofactor that you can see here. So this cofactor minus 1 I plus j, so whatever will become here, that will be your cofactor. Cofactor of a21, as I've given you example. So the resultant matrix minus 1 2 plus 1 will become 3, right? So minus 1 cube will give you minus 1 into the resultant of this, so you will get in negative, right? Because minus 1. So in that way we need to work with minor and cofactor, and it's just a part of a determinant. How you are going to perform this operation by doing multiplication with this element. So this determinant is called minor of a11. This particular element means this particular element will call as a determinant of a21 or aij, you can say, where I is your 2 and j is equal to 1. So this is a determinant of which element? A21. And if this minor, this is called as minor, if you multiply this minor with this minus 1 into I plus j, you will get a cofactor. So I repeat once again, if you multiply this minor with this minus 1 I plus j, for example here 2 1, so I value will be 2, j value will 1, 2 plus 1 will become 3, and minus 1 cube will give you minus 1. So when you multiply minus 1 with this minor for this element a21, you will get the determinant, or like sorry, you will get a cofactor, and the determinant is this one for this respective element. So I hope it is clear to you how to find minor and cofactor, and in this way we will going to find out the minor and cofactor with every element of a matrix. So we're going to meet in our next lecture with more operation on this matrices, and I will going to cover each and every operation on the matrices in depth. So that will be helpful for making a strong foundation on a mathematics part, so that it will be easy for you to do or to learn machine learning or some data science concept. So I hope it is clear and this session you find informative. You found this session interactive to understand this minors and cofactor. So we're going to meet in our next lecture with more stuffs on this matrices and matrices operation. Till then, bye.